Hey everyone, hope all is well in this crazy time. In this video I'll be making a book stand out of this red oak right here. I want to make it so it can hold a large book that I can have it opened up and displayed. We'll also design a vintage pattern on it and carve it. If you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, would love it if you do. Also leave a comment saying hi and thumbs up on the video. So let's get started. Enough with the talking and get to doing. Alright guys, so this is the red oak wood I'm going to use for the book holder, the book stand holder. It's 3/4 inch thick, and I just got to figure out the design. So I'm going to make up a pattern. I got some measurements, and I'm going to do a 65-degree angle and some nice decorative vintage style look and maybe some little carvings. Alright, so I'm going to work on the stencil pattern and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did some trial and error. I just used a piece of newspaper. So I had drawn this out, but it was too small. So I have a bigger one here. More little swirls, curves. Not sure how I want to do up here. So I'm just going to see how to lay it out. Let's see if I can get some nice grain look to it. Get one like that, and then alright, so I traced the pattern onto a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna trace it onto the wood, line up the bottom, have it flush straight. Alright. And I just put some blue tape on the back, and I'll just trace it. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm going to use my jigsaw, try and cut this pattern out, see how this works. I don't have a bandsaw to use, so jigsaw will do for now, hopefully. See how it comes out. Alright, so I set up the scroll saw. Not ideal, but I can get most of it done with the scroll saw, hopefully. Alright, so I went back to the jigsaw and cut the rest of them out. Now I'm going to use some of this carpet tape and put these two together. And I'm going to use the dremel and clean up the edges and try to get up to the lines best as I can. I'm gonna continue even these two pieces out. So it's gonna take some time. I don't have a drum sander. I'll be right back.
Oh, sorry, Dexter. Dexter wants outside. I'll go back.
Yep, you're okay. Right, I'm gonna do a Roman OG decorative edge. Alright, so we're back. Time to plan out the pattern. So I'm marking out where I want to lay it out on. These are some reference designs I'm trying to look at. Here's my pattern so far. I got this one here. 2 pieces. So I'm gonna complete some more here. Try to copy it onto this side too. And then try and carve it out. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so now I got everything carved out. I just want to fine detail these, sand it all out. I'm going to paint it and then stain it, paint it and stain it. So I'll be doing that now. Alright, so I got diamond burrs out. I'm going to go ahead and clean these all out. Nice and cleaned up. So I'll do this piece and the big 2 sides. All these here, clean it all out, make it nice and smooth. All right. Alright, it's a new day today. Got the polystain all dried. So I'm gonna sand it to 220 grit and then do another coat. And then hopefully this will be all done. Alrighty. Cheers. Alright, so I got the 220 Diablo sanding disc. And let's give this a light sand. Alright guys, so here it is. Final coat of polystain is now dry. Did about 4 coats sanding with 220 grit in between. It took me quite a bit of days to get this all done. Turned out great. It's got a nice vintage look with the carving I did. Now let's go display the book it was made for. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I'll catch you later.